Tired of your phone mount slipping, falling, or just not holding up when you need it most? The Arkon MG2APAMPSVHB smartphone mount adapter kit promises a secure grip for smartphones up to 3.6 inches wide, including popular models like the iPhone X, Samsung Galaxy Note 8, and LG G6. Imagine having your device safely positioned within reach, no matter the road conditions or driving style. I've tested this mount in my own vehicle, and what stands out immediately is the solid construction and thoughtful design. The kit includes Arkon's Mobile Grip 2 universal smartphone holder paired with a low-profile pedestal that offers both adhesive and screw mounting options. The 360-degree swivel ball adapter head lets you adjust your phone to the perfect angle effortlessly. Whether you want it portrait or landscape, it stays put. Plus, the tough 3M VHB adhesive ensures a permanent hold on vehicle-specific mounts from trusted brands like ProClip and Pro.Fit. Just a heads up, this adhesive is meant to last, so removing it might require professional-grade solvents or tools. What changes when you switch to this mount? No more fumbling with vent clips that lose their grip or suction mounts that fail on hot days. The screw mounting option adds peace of mind for anyone who wants a steadfast setup. But remember, drilling into your vehicle should be done carefully. Consult a professional to avoid damaging sensitive components. If you're done with unreliable mounts and want a solution that keeps your smartphone secure and accessible, this Arkon kit is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your driving experience.